As a content creator on YouTube, you have the power to reset the algorithm. What I mean is that you are basically telling the YouTube algorithm that, hey, I've got these videos on my channel and you need to crawl that particular channel and then give my videos the boost they deserve. And when that happens, it rakes in the views. And then if you're not monetized, you get to reach your 4,000 watch hours. And as you are getting the views, don't forget that subscribers will also come in. This actually works especially when you have left your channel for a long while and then you came back, posted a video, did all that you could, but the views aren't coming in. And that is why this video is made for you. So stick and stay, and then let's dive into this so we get to know the strategies you can put in place just to reset the YouTube algorithm. So if you're meeting me for the first time, I am the Virtual Giant, and on this channel, I share with you my strategies, my experiences as a small channel, operator, let me put it like that, or someone who is beginning on YouTube for the very first time. Let's dive straight into, the strategies you can put in place to get more views on your channel by resetting the YouTube algorithm. Now, I know content creation is not an easy job. Imagine the filming, the kind of takes you have to do just to get the perfect video, the editing, the hours or the minutes that you spend editing a particular video, sourcing for information, etc. After all these, you post this particular video and then the views are not coming in. The kind of emotions that you go through, as a beginner, you are always checking your YouTube studio just to see what's up, whether you've gotten your first view or not. All these can be put, to rest or can be drastically minimized if you follow what I'm about to show you in this particular video. Now, if you have left your channel idle for a long time, note that the YouTube algorithm, they are bots that YouTube has. They crawl your channel, get to know or study the videos that you have on your channel by way of your description and then what you say in the videos. And they kind of distribute it to relevant viewers or viewers who are searching for things that align with whatever your video is teaching. Imagine not posting regularly or not posting for a long period. What happens is that when these bots crawl your channel, they don't get any new information to feed the people out there. So with time, YouTube will realize that no, this one is dead, this particular channel is dead. So they wouldn't, dedicate enough resources or enough bots to come crawl your channel for new information or relevant videos. And that happens, or that leads to why your videos or our videos, let me put it like that, usually tank or they don't get views because the channel is dead according to the YouTube algorithm. And here is how you can revive that particular channel. What you need to do first is to create a new Gmail account. Yes, so head over to Gmail and then create a new account, whether you're using your phone or using a computer, whatever ways, just make sure that you have a new account. And here is what you're going to do after you get that new Gmail account. You head over to your YouTube studio. Now, mind you, if you use the YouTube Studio app on your Android, on your iOS, it's not going to work. So what you need to do is to log into your YouTube Studio using the browser version or the desktop version, if you like. So you open your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, whether it's Edge, or whatever kind of browser you use, Opera Mini, etc. You open it and then type studio.youtube.com. That will send you to your YouTube Studio in a desktop mode. Especially those using Chrome, you can switch to desktop mode by clicking on the three dots up there, at the top right corner, and then checking the box that says desktop site. Yes, so you do that and it gives you the YouTube Studio in the desktop format. Okay, so what you will do is to go to settings. Once you are in here, you see the options at the left hand side. Tap on permissions. Now, when you get into permissions, you would see that, your email address is there, your name is also there, and then the role you are playing on this particular channel. And in my case, it is owner because it is my channel. I own this particular channel. Now, just at the top right corner, you see something there that is invite. What we are going to do, or what we're going to use the invite to do, is to, add the new email address we created not too long ago. We are going to add it to the channel. So you tap on invite, and then you see that a drop box appears where you have a portion where you are to input an email address, and then below it you see, if you tap that drop down button, there are a lot of functions or roles that appear. What you're going to do is to select the manager role. So you see the kind of access being a manager on a channel gives you. You are able to post, you're able to edit, and then manage the channel in so many other ways. Now we are not done yet. What we are going to do is that after we've selected the manager option, we are going to wait for 7 days, because it is after 7 days that we can go to the next step. Now, the next step is that we are going to make the new email address, or the new, the email address, the owner of the channel, and then take down the previous or the old email address. So in that case, the new one becomes the new owner of the channel. And you know that YouTube, just like every other social media platform, is having a kind of competition. All of them want to maintain people on their channel, welcome new creators or new members, etc. So when someone new joins, what they do is to post or push their content so that it will attract others to join. It will attract existing members to keep staying on the platform. I hope you understand me. So YouTube is going to treat this particular channel as a new one, and then it is going to begin pushing your videos to new audience. Now listen, while you are waiting for the 7 days, you are free to post content, but don't set them to public. They may be on unlisted or private. Okay, don't set them to public yet. Why? Because we need the algorithm to crawl the channel and then study the new videos, so that once they go live, it is going to recommend them or send them to active viewers who are actually interested in that particular content. Now, mind you, when you do this change, it is not going to affect your existing subscribers, neither is it going to affect your accrued or accumulated watch hours. No, it is going to continue from there. Now, after you have waited for the 7 days, done all the necessary changes, and then posted your videos, kept them on unlisted and then on private, you can also decide to wait some few more days after you have accumulated a number of videos, and then when you are satisfied, then you can set them to public, or you can as well schedule them so that they drop by the day or whatever interval you wish to give to your videos, and sit back and see the magic that happens. Sit back and see your videos, even the old ones, come back to life, generating more views and stuff. I hope this video helps you to reach the number of audience you are so yearning for your channel. And if the views start coming in, don't forget to come back here and then share your experience, share your thoughts, and every other thing you've learned along the way with the rest of us on this particular channel. So I'll see you in my next video.